So our brains, our job is to get that person to change their behavior and move to the right or to speed up. And our first immediate responses are honk your horn, flash your brights, and tailgate. Okay, so it's just what comes out. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Now, switch roles, and you're in the blue car. And you're having a bad day because somebody cut you off or you spilled your cup or whatever, blah, 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 this and that. Okay? Now somebody goes up from behind you. And you're going the speed limit. I'm going to show somebody. And now all of a sudden you're going the speed limit. And you roll right up. I'm sorry, you're going to see somebody goes right up to you and they flash their brights. What do you do? What do you do? I saw a hand move. Or a flyer, I saw a hand move. Okay, so you wave to them. Okay, got it. Do you accelerate or change your behavior? Okay. What happens if then they start tailgating you or they start honking the horn on you? What do? Somebody said something. Slow down. So what you're telling me is when we want someone in the same exact situation that we're in to change their behavior, we have this, and this. But the second someone wants us to do the exact behavior, we do the exact opposite.